Production speed, 20 seconds per bottle, with a daily output of 17,000 bottles. The keel platform with an electric head lifting is highly rigid, ensuring stable movements and product stability. The swing frame features a self-adaptive carriage for adjustment, and switches between 3 modes, easily solving movement adjustment problems. The blow pen is paired with an in-bottle fast cooling system, which enables rapid in-bottle temperature exchange and significantly improves product cooling speed. A clamping force of 24 tons easily meets the requirements of auto punching. The vice mold clamp delivers bottles onto the conveyor belt, achieving automated production. The swing frame is equipped with a scrap conveyor belt at the bottom, which efficiently transports and crushes scrap materials, preventing them from flying around and avoiding secondary material contamination. Color changing can be completed within 60 minutes. A 15-inch large touchscreen, featuring built-in maintenance guidance videos, a large memory, and fast response time.